Hi, here's you can get into Samsung Smart TV service factory mode menu. First turn your TV, then navigate into info in the remote, last menu, last mute, and power on the TV. And here's you can get into Samsung Smart TV service factory mode menu. And here you can configure everything you want to. Debugging, set all the values. If you want to set some values in this smart TV, resolution, debugging, and yes, follow this simple step. And thank you for watching. This is from GXR River Service Center. Have a nice day.